The video you're about to watch is a voiceover or fan dub of something that I found interesting. I do not own any of the voices, these are just for fun and for your entertainment. Please support the official release of any of the things being recorded. And don't forget to like and follow for more content. Follow the links in the description below. Now enjoy the video, you silly goose. The Sound of Her Wings by Neil Gaimen.
Get him, Frankie. You got this. Don't let him score. Look at that. Oh, shit. Ain't no freaking mister. Way. Did you see that? That was a killer catch, man. Totally wicked. So? Can I have the ball back?
Hmm?
And there's a freak.
Oh. This. Here.
Thanks. Want to play ball?
No. No, thank you.
Yo, man, stop fraternizing to come get this
That's
ass
cool.
up in this soccer, but we ain't got all day. I gotta go to work at 5. Well, it's not like I dragged you out here to play, mate.
What are you doing?
I'm feeding the pigeons.
You do that too much, you know what you get? Fat pigeons. That's a line from Mary Poppins. I love that movie. You ever see it?
No.
There's this guy who's literally a banker. He doesn't have time for his family, for living, or anything. And Mary Poppins, she comes down from the clouds, showing him what's important. Fun, flying kites, all that stuff. Superfragilisticexpialidocious.
What?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Utterly fantabulous word, huh? It means, great, wonderful, kinchy, gnarly, peachy keen.
Ah.
It's a cute movie. Maybe not everyone's thing, but, Dick Van Dyke's British accent, if I's believe. Have you a happy, jolly holiday with you, Mary Poppins? Cute. Okay, so what's the matter?
Yo, come on, Franklin. What's the hold up,
What do you mean?
What's the matter? I know something's wrong. I mean, look at you, sitting here moping.
Right, but
it's not like
game
you.
to play, man.
I don't know. Something different about her. No.
I put my finger on it.
Perhaps it isn't.
I think I might try to talk to her.
I don't know what's wrong, but you're right. Something is the matter. When they captured me, imprisoned in their box, I had only one thought: revenge. By the time I freed myself, my original captor had gone the way of the mortals, and I took my vengeance on his son. It felt fine, I suppose, but doesn't feel as satisfying as I expected. In the interim, my dream world had fallen apart. I needed my tools long since stolen and scattered. One by one, I found them. Well, eventually I found them. The pouch was relatively easy. To regain the helm, I challenged the demon, dared the hordes of hell, faced down Lucifer himself. That only left the ruby. The ruby was a human had been using it. I hate to think of what toll it must have taken on his mind, on his soul. We fought in dreams. The stone, no longer mine, was sucking me into its fabrics. It was terrible. And thinking it was my life that he was crushing. He destroyed the ruby. He destroyed it. It freed me. More than that, it freed everything of me that was in that stone. I got it all back. I was more powerful than I had ever been in eons. I returned the human to the madhouse. You see, until then, I had been driven. I've had a quest. I had a purpose beyond my function. And then suddenly, the quest was over. I felt drained, disappointed, let down. Does that make sense? I had been sure that as soon as I had everything back, I'd feel good. But inside, I felt worse than when I started. I feel like nothing. There, you asked. I'm sorry. Maybe I don't have an answer.
Have you finished?
Yes.
You could have called me, you know.
I didn't want to worry you.
I don't believe it. Let me tell you something, Dream. And I'm only going to tell you this once, so you better pay attention. You are utterly the stupidest, most self-centered, appallingest excuse for anthropomorphic personification on this or any other plane. An infantile, adolescent, pathetic specimen, feeling all sorry for yourself because your little game is over, and you haven't got the balls to go and find a new one. I mean, I don't believe this. Dream, you're as bad as Desire, or worse. Did it occur to you that I'd be worried silly about you?
I didn't think that.
That's exactly it. You didn't think. You lummox. You overgrown bubble-headed. Oh, give me strength.
Whoa. Another killer catch. You're a mean ball player as your friend here.
He is not my friend. He is my brother, and he is an idiot.
Just feeding the birds.
Look, I can't stay here all day. I got work to do. You can come with me, or you can stay here and sulk. I don't mind either way.
I'll come with you, I suppose.
Shh. Don't do me any favors. Oopsie daisy.
So hey, Fox, do you want to go get a soda? Or, could I see you again sometime?
Sure, Franklin. You'll see me again soon.
Well, okay. Hey, how'd you know my name's Franklin? What?